Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. We will start now last unit on our course related with nuclear chemistry. We studied before chemistry is the central science that related with other. We can see it related with biochemistry, with physics chemistry, yes, and organic, inorganic, nuclear physics. From the name of the chapter, nuclear, that's related with nucleus. We studied nucleus before in biology. Maybe same meaning, but the chemical meaning related with types of reactions. Yes, because we have two main types of reactions, chemical reactions and the nuclear reactions. Then, let us speak firstly about the atom. From the figure, this figure illustrates the simple or components of the atom. Nucleus in the center, surrounded by elliptical paths, not circular. Okay? Then atom, can we read? Yes, I want here. Repeat with me. Atoms are the smallest particles of matter. Okay? That we can't be splitting, we can't be breakdown. Because we have oxygen O, we don't have half O. We have sodium, we don't have quarter sodium. Same time, these types of atoms not separated, not splitting by chemical means. Then it can be splitting by nuclear means. Generally, any atoms consists of two main parts. The central one, which is called the nucleus, it is positive, includes Pn, proton and neutron, while the outer shell includes electrons. In cloud, what's meant by cloud? Because it is not easy to find the position of electrons due to, number one, it has high speed in revolving around the nucleus. Number two, it has so small mass. This illustrated from the table. Ben, B-E-N. Proton, positive charge, yes. Neutron, 0. Electron, -1. Okay. I want you to check the mass of each one and the position because I want to ask you main questions. Take your time, but not exceeds half of minutes. Okay. Metals and non-metals. This is classification. Depend on what? Losing or gain electrons. To form positive ion in case of losing, negative ion in case of gaining. But in nuclear chemistry, no to this idea accepted because it depends on proton. When the proton is changed in numbers, the atom is turned to another one. So, sodium Na11 lose one electron, Na ion, but sodium when lose one electron turns to neon. By the same, we studied in grade 9 last year, unstable electrons, unstable elements, they have large number of neutrons. Can you remember the name of them? Yes, uranium, thorium, yes, actinium, polonium. Excellent. There is a big difference between the atoms of the group 1, group 2, sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, aluminum, boron, carbon, and radioactive element. In the periodic table, you will find them down in group in period number 7. Okay, then the location of nucleons, of proton and neutron and the neutrons are concentrated in the nucleus. Then the nucleus contains the large mass. Then who can give me questions? Or one question? Yes, good. Give reason. The mass of the atoms is concentrated in the nucleus because it includes both proton and neutron with large mass, while the mass of electron is negligible. Okay, let us go to the atomic number and the mass number. Yeah, atomic number represents the number of proton which equal number of electron. Why? Why? Right, because yes, the number of positive charge equal that of negative charge. Then the atom is neutrally charged, but the nucleus is positive. Why? Because nucleus contain proton positive and the neutron neutral. If I said neutron neutral, that means it includes also positive charge, but it is neutralized. Sorry. It is neutralized by the negative one. But then, above any element, there is large number, includes number of nucleon, new concept. Nucleon mean protons and neutrons, while the atomic number includes number of protons only. Again, atomic number, yes, number of protons, excellent. Number of electron, wrong. Okay, check up this table. Sodium, 1123. Potassium, 1939. Uranium, oh my God, 98238. Number of proton, 11. Number of proton, 19. Number of proton, 89. Mass number, okay, 23, 39, includes number of proton and neutrons. Then, to get the number of neutron, you will subtract, yes, excellent, mass number minus atomic number. Okay? Check this table, and I hope you write any comment, any question related, because I don't write. I will, inshallah, re-explain this point in the class when we're back to school, but not full details as my explaining now. Any questions related with the table, please, I won't see tomorrow, inshallah, or next session, your observation or your comment related with this table. Take your time, not exceeds 30 seconds.
The mass number includes both proton and neutron.
I know. But can I ask you one question? The number of neutrons in uranium, 146, so larger than the number of protons, while in sodium, number of neutrons 12, number of protons of proton 11. In this case, I will say that sodium is stable element, because no large difference between number of proton and the number of neutron, while the number of neutrons. Welcome, Mr. Ahmed. Happy Eid. Sorry. How are you, sir? Yeah, no problem. You are my friend. Mr. Ahmed Fawzi, I said to him, welcome. Okay. Back again, I'm sorry. But then the number of neutrons exceeds the number of protons, 146, that's 89. So the uranium is non-stable. Non-stable or unstable, Mr. Ahmed. Which is right, unstable or non-stable? Unstable, yes, excellent.
The prefix is
Yeah. Thank you, sir. It is unstable element because its number of neutrons exceeds the stage of stability. To these two questions, you will see that isotopes, hydrogen 1,1, hydrogen 1,2, hydrogen 1,3, plutonium, deuterium, tritium, 2, H12, tritium, for chlorine also. Yes, 17, 35, 36, and 37. Oxygen, 8, 16, and the 8, 17, sorry, it is not 7-1. By mistake, I'm sorry. What's your comment? We can observe what?
the mass of the atom
Yes. Difference in atomic mass, atomic number, or in mass number? Excellent. In the mass number. Good. Due to the difference of what? Due to different in what? Number of proton or electron or neutron? MashaAllah, tabarakallah, number of neutron. Because this collection is called isotopes. Hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. It is atoms of the same element. Okay. Having same atomic number, different in mass number. Again, can you see above? O16, O17, we have 8, 8. Okay. Different in 1, 16, 17. But then the number of neutron in the first case 8, and the second case is, is a 9. That's called the isotopes. But the main conditions, same element. Different atoms of same element with the same, down. What's meant by down? Atomic number, yes. In some periodic table, maybe they will exchange the number. It's not strange, you will find 8, 16 down, 8 up. No problem. But the largest number is the atomic number. Okay? Yani take care from this trick, this problem, inshallah, no problems, but take care we have large number and small number. Okay, let us remember the molarity and the molarity. Oh my God, I see, I know it is bad lessons for you, but in molarity and the molality, we want to calculate the number of moles. Number of moles equal mass over molar mass. We get molar mass from what? From periodic table. Yes, a lot of you asked me before, Mister, احنا نحفظ الرقم? I said no, it is data given from the periodic table. But in this case, I have 2 oxygen, I have 3 hydrogen, I have 3 chlorine, I have 2 bromine, I have. Which of them I will get its mass? In case of oxygen, I will get 16 or 17. If we remember, oxygen 15.997. What is the main idea? And which of them I won't use to calculate the mass? No, not average. Why not average? Why? Yani one asked me 16 plus 17, 33 divided by 2, 16.5? No. But I saw oxygen and the periodic table 15.999. What is the problem now? Why we can't get the average? Yes. Okay. I want to ask you one question. The ratio of carbon in nature as the ratio of sodium? No. By the same. The ratio of carbon different from silicon, from potassium, from. For the same element, the abundance معناها نسبة الوجود of sodium 11, 23 is 20%. For 11, 22, 10%. Then, according to this rule, the abundance of each one multiply its mass plus abundance of the second plus multiply its mass divided 100 to get the percentage. Check the problem and give me how this problem is solved. دي كده هو
Check how can we
صغط.
apply this.
Okay. Yes, the ratio is argon 20 AR, sorry, AR, not argon, multiply, yes, plus divided 100. I hope you understand this problem very well. يبقى percentage of the first multiply its mass plus the percentage of the second multiply its mass divided by 100. This also can repeat it for problem number 2. I don't say homework. I know we are still in vacation. I know. But to evaluate your understanding to this idea. And in this problem, you will find 3 isotopes of chlorine. I repeated the first term of the rule 3 times. Okay? Thank you so much. I'm so happy that meeting you in this program. Inshallah, meet you personally tomorrow بإذن الله. وكل عام وانتم بخير وربنا يعيد علينا وعليكم الايام كلها بخير وصحه وسعاده يا رب ويحقق كل امانيكم ويبارك لكم في اولياء اموركم وكل سنه وانتم طيبين. شكرا يا جماعه.